Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose export setting in Capcut. So guys, here I have already created a project in Capcut and we're going to export this video. But before we export this video, we have to manage the export setting first. So we can tap on this button guys and you can select either you want to save your video as video or GIF. If you want to save this video as GIF, you can simply tap on the GIF option, but I'm gonna go with video, so I'm tapping on video option. Then we're going to select the quality or the export quality right here. Tap on the quality and choose the resolution that you want, and you can select 480p, 720p, or 1080p, and I'm gonna go with 1080p. And you can also select the frame rate and code rate, and once you're done you can click on done right here, and you can click on save to device to export this video to our device, and you just have to wait until the process is completed. And alright guys, that's how we can choose export setting in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next tutorial.